What's up, Internet? Kern 1776 here with another video for you. So we're starting a new theme, right? Remember, we're doing themes this year every quarter. First quarter's gone. Now it's time to start the second quarter. And the second quarter theme is going to be everyday carry. You know what I'm saying? Kind of those situations where you'd rather have it and not need it than need it and start making bad decisions. Or the future me will be happy that the past me has that as my EDC. Survival situations don't always just happen in the woods, right? During a zombie apocalypse, they can happen in a freaking parking lot any day of the week. So let's get into the new theme with the first month of EDC, Mission 134. Okay. All right. Now, with every mission of Battlbox, you get a mission booklet. The booklet tells you what's in the box, every level, basic, advanced, pro, and pro plus. And right here, mission 134, everyday survival, EDC is our quarterly theme now. So, in the basic box, we're going to start off with the first item. So first up in the box, we got an item from Tactica for your everyday carry. It is the M005. It's a micro multi-tool. All right there, ladies and gentlemen. Is it focusing? So this dude right here's got 8 tools in it that weigh less than my patience sometimes. Very nice, compact. It is TSA compliant. Okay, so if you travel a lot and you add this to your EDC, you got yourself a pretty cool little multi-tool right there. So basically, useful gear does not have to be bulky. This is crafted from 420 HC stainless steel. Obviously, it's ultralight, and it packs 8 everyday tools into one sleek little pocket-sized design. So with this little rascal right here, you get 5 wrench sizes, a scraper, a bottle opener, a screwdriver, a box cutter, and a pry bar in one little bitty freaking thing right here. And I think it weighs 17 grams or something like that. Is that right? 17 grams. 17 grams, and it's got more utility than some people I know. I mean, I'm just going to be honest. The thing's freaking small, lightweight. You can put it on your keys if you want to. I mean, a lot of people nowadays don't even carry keys. You just slip it in your pocket, slip it into the third pocket. It's, you know, in your jeans or whatever. Old timers like me call it a watch pocket. Some people call it a third pocket. If you need to pry a lid open on something, you're taking your scales off of a knife or whatever. Sometimes those scales are kind of stuck on there. You can use the pry to pop the scales off. It's one of those, I'm not going to go back to my truck kind of tools. Just name the situation. You're like, oh, this little screw right here is loose, okay? Okay, 10 seconds. Beep, boop, boop, done. Is it going to replace a legit screwdriver? Like, are you going to install a light switch with this? No. Are you going to completely take apart a freaking engine with this? No. Everyday carry. Little problem solvers that don't weigh you down, but can handle a situation when it may arise. That's TSA compliant. So if you're going to the airport and the TSA guy's like, you can't have that, you say, hold on, Jack. It is TSA compliant. If you want one, this is where you can get it. But that was mine, give it back. You know. Now, next up in the EDC is a really interesting item, okay? Recommended by a very interesting individual, my good buddy Joey. We call him Joey Bag of Donuts here at Battlbox. I'm sure you guys have been seeing him in some of my videos, him in some of his own videos. He recommended this right here. This is a new product in the GTFO line. Very interesting. So instead of a GTFO bracelet, you got a GTFO necklace. So there's your necklace right there. So this is what's on the necklace. Now understand, these things don't have to stay on this necklace. This is a full kit. You take the things off, implement it however you want. There's a shim in here, there's a bobby pin in here to get you out of restraints, pick locks. There's an NFC button, NFC tagged button on here, which is probably my favorite item on here. We'll discuss that a little bit further. You get a flashlight in case you need light, a ranger band over it that's hiding a Russian, I think it's called they call it a Rus key. It's a key for Russian style handcuffs. Kevlar 400 tensile strength, diamond braided cordage is what the necklace is made out of. So you can cut through plastics with this, restrained with zip ties, real thick Panduit straps, zip ties. You can use this to cut through instead of doing it with like shoelaces or something like that. The GTFO situation, right? Oh yeah, and it's got the ballistic bead that you can break glass with. So you can smack this on glass, it'll break glass, just like the GTFO bracelet does. You put it where you want. If you want to implement it in the necklace, if you don't, you can take all this stuff off and do it however you want. You can take the shims and you can take those to the inside of your belt. I think the button is my most favorite piece of this kit right here. So it's an NFC button. You could program that thing, do whatever, right? You can scan it with your phone and it will immediately send you can make it where it immediately send your location to your loved ones via, GPS coordinates, and be like a distress thing. If this gets scanned, I'm in distress, it's going to send my loved ones a GPS coordinate. Think about that for a second. You can put this on your kids. You can put that button on their backpack. You can put this button on a piece of clothing that they always wear or something like that. I mean, the sky's the limit, okay? And you teach your kid, hey, if you're ever lost or somebody's messing with you or something like that, however you want to program it. You can program it to open up your Instagram for somebody. Somebody's like, hey man, let me get your gram. You're like, scan this. You know what I mean? You can make it do whatever. But think of the safety things you can do with this. Put one of these buttons on each one of your kids' backpacks when they're at school. Something's going down at school, they can take their phone and just scan it, and it will do whatever you program it to do. It could send you a message, come now, here's my coordinates, this is where I'm at. If your kid gets lost and they don't have a phone, and a good Samaritan finds them or is like, hey, where's your mom and dad, blah, 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 and they're like, I don't know, I'm lost, do you have a phone? Scan this button on my backpack, or scan this button on my shirt, scan this button on my hat that my mom sewed into my hat, and it'll send my mom and my dad a text message. It'll tell them where I'm at. That is freaking amazing right there. So you can wear it on your neck as is, adjust them however you want, and that is your second item in the basic box, recommended by Joey, good old Joey. So next up in the basic box, this is member recommended from Joseph K of Orlando, Florida. This is the DEFCON 5 EDC pouch. EDC pouches are cool, right? I mean, you look around on YouTube, an absolute metric ton of videos out there talking about kitting, right? Bug out bags, 72-hour bags, get home bags, winter bags, my everyday carry essentials. And it doesn't necessarily have to be what you got in your pockets, right? You can make little kits, or this is your little kit right here that's always in your backpack or something like that, that you keep your everyday essentials in there. It could be as simple as chapstick, a couple business cards, a flashlight. If you're like me, I like to keep a fire making kit of some sort, whether that's a ferrocerium rod or whatever, a lighter, your freaking reading glasses, a notepad and pen, Band-Aids, just all sorts of little things that you can do. And you can kit out this little guy right here however you want. Here on the front, we've got ourselves a little clasp area. Put stuff like a flashlight in here. Put yourself a Leatherman or some sort of multi-tool. And then on this side, you've got yourself a flashlight. So just like that, you've got tools and a flashlight in an everyday kit. On the inside, you got a zipper pouch on the front here. It's got a small pouch up front of it. And then you've got the same on the back with a mesh type pouch on the back side of it. It is full Molly or PALS compatible on the back. You got your straps here, and you got the webbing here on the back to run it through your straps. So you can put this on a larger backpack that's got Molly. Throw it inside your everyday carry backpack. You need something, it's in this kit, you pull it out. It's just everyday essentials, guys. These are essentially little man purses. I mean, that's basically what they are. We just call it everyday carry pouches, right? So everything can be where it's supposed to be. Imagine that. It makes me look organized, and I'm the most unorganized person you'll ever meet. I'm horrible at it. You should see my shop. It looks like a freaking tornado come through here. Next up is the advanced box. So that was your basic. Now it's time for the advanced box. In the advanced box this month, the K120 flipper. Satisfies me every time. I love a good, clean opening, fast blade right there. In the advanced box too. Oh yeah. Let's take a closer look at it. 2.8-inch drop point blade, D2 steel with the black PVD finish, which brings really good edge retention and corrosion resistant for everyday tasks. Everyday carry, everyday tasks, okay? Really good texturing on these G10 scales right here. I really like the contrast of that kind of, what is that, like a goldish bronze color with the black. And it flips open easy, no drama. Liner lock smooth, good solid lock up on the liner lock. Could you use your keys to open boxes? Sure. If you like the struggle, that's one of my biggest pet peeves. You see an unboxing video on YouTube or something, somebody breaks out their keys. Man, get a knife, man. Get a freaking knife. One hand operation with no drama. That's how I like it right there. Check it out, y'all. How about a knife in the advanced box? Guess our advanced only subscribers are going to really dig that, yeah? So that means you're getting 2 blades this month if you're Pro Plus. When it comes to everyday carry, you want something that's reliable and you want something that just freaking works. And this is one of those kind of blades, and you ain't got to have an absolute crap ton of money in it, right? I'm a blue collar dude, man. I've been a mechanic most of my life, rough and tough on my stuff. I just want something that's going to work. This is that knife right here. Throw it in your pocket every day, put it through hell, and it's going to be ready for the next day. Yeah. A good knife is not optional. It is equipment, everyday equipment. Yeah. So that's your advanced box item right there. And now it's time for the Pro Box. The Pro Box this month, we're going to provide you with a pack. It's called the Nest Pack. Really cool everyday carry size, everyday carry style backpack right here. It's a really nice pack, very comfortable for everyday use, and it's a good size, right? For just everyday commuter type, you got the tools necessary with you for an everyday type of event, right? Remember what I said at the beginning of the video. Not every single survival situation happens in the freaking woods. We deal with them every day, and it may not be survival in the aspect in speaking of my life is on the line, but you got a problem to solve. Something happens. I got a problem to solve. Do I have something on me that can help me either eliminate that problem, temporarily fix that problem, or make it less of a problem? That's what we're talking about right now when it comes to everyday carry. Your MOLLE panel here on the front with a nice deep pocket in the front, and then it's got a zipper behind it as well. So 2 pockets on the front. This one here has got some elastic banding on the front here so that you can add tools or battery chargers, whatever in here, give them everything a spot that it needs. You've got a mesh pouch here on the front as well with 2 slots for pins or Sharpies or, you know, a screwdriver or whatever else you might want to put in here, and then another pocket back behind that. So that is your front pouch. It does have over molded zipper covers on there, which is pretty cool. Pull tabs here, so when you're zipping and unzipping, you can hold a tab while you run the zipper. Up on the top, we've got our MOLLE with a patch panel. Put your favorite morale patches on or whatever on top of that. And then on the inside, again, we got pull tabs on each side of the zipper. Your inside, which also has 2 pockets down through here. So you could put your laptop here in the back, right? You can put a tablet or something here in the second one, and then you got the full opening of the inside there, right? On the back, we got nice wide straps. It also has some loops here and here on each side, so you can attach a light, your sunglasses. Sometimes that's what I'll do, or reading glasses, walking with my pack on for a long time in an urban environment or something, and I need to take my sunglasses off, I'll stick them down in there. Fully adjustable, obviously. Just looks like a normal, fairly normal pack. And you can attach this to it if you wanted to. You can extend your capabilities by attaching this on here. Let me get any particulars in here just for you guys to know. It's 1000D Cordura with 210D polyester lining. The custom Nest Pack zippers on durable 8 YKK hardware. When you're dealing with an everyday carry pack, especially in an urban environment, these big wide packs stick off your back this far can be cumbersome. You look like a target, number one. And number two, like if it's crowded, it's hard to weave and move in and out of that crowd. You got a freaking giant turtle shell on your back, packed full of stuff, right? This is a nice, slim, sleek design. Great urban EDC or going to work EDC, keep in your truck. And then when you're in an environment like that, you just grab this, put it on your back. You got some essentials that you decided to put in there. And then you got room to put other stuff. If you're out window shopping or whatever and you end up not drooling on the window and actually going in and buying something from Nest Pack. Yo. So now it's time for the Pro Plus, the Pro Plus. And I don't know about you, but it's often cool to have a blade. When you pull it out, everybody goes, huh, What is that? This thing's nice, but it's not too nice for you not to use it, okay? I'm not one of those kind of guys, man. I like my stuff to be usable. So this right here is from Luft, and they call it the Atlas. It is a front flipper, but wait, before you get to freaking griping because you don't like a front flipper, it's not only a front flipper. It also can flip normally because it's got that really nice designed stud right there on that side. So if you're into the front flipping game, it's all yee-haw. If you don't like the front flipping game or you have trouble doing it, all good, because this liner lock's got you covered, because you can also thumb flick that thing open. Look at that dude. That's a beautiful blade. Let's get you in here a little bit closer where you can see it. So the Luft Atlas Folder, 3.25-inch blade, VG10. Excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance, of course. And we got G10 scales right here. Really cool color there. We got the satin finish on the blade. Very balanced blade. Feels really good in the hand. And smooth opening. The spacer here towards the bottom between the liners matches the scales, which is really nice. Of course, it is a liner lock. Very good lockup. And brother, it is smooth. It is so freaking smooth. I absolutely love that thing. This one's got a little bit of class. You know what I'm saying? And I'm trying to keep up with it. A lot of knives live in your drawer. This does not need to be one of them. Put it in your pocket. Put it through the paces. That VG10 is going to be there to do whatever you need it to do, yeehaw. Love Concepts Atlas. They make some really cool designs. And if you're into the front flip game, you got a front flipper, yeehaw. You can really tell this blade was designed and not just made. Y'all know what I mean? So that's mission 134 Battlbox, folks. The first box of the 3-month series or theme of everyday carry. Everyday survival, right? It ain't always survival in the woods, folks. It's survival on a random Tuesday, right? So that's where we spend most of our time. That's the world that most of us live in, right? Most of us are not in the woods 24/7 or even in the woods every weekend. We are in an everyday mode, going through the motions, doing our things. How can we implement everyday carry for multiple potential situations, be that problem solvers or literal life-saving serious situations every single day? That's the whole point of everyday carry. When life gets weird, you need to have things on you that's going to help you not get caught lacking. You know what I'm saying? That's everyday carry. It's not about the cool factor necessarily. It's about the useful factor and how you implement that into your everyday uses, right? So we're going to jump into a quick recap on the first month of EDC. First up, we got the micro tool right here from Tactica. Very small, useful piece of equipment that you can use for multiple situations. There's 5 different wrench sizes on there. Why spend 10 minutes trying to find the real full-size tool to do the job if this right here is really all you need? Everyday problem solvers. You can pry with that. You can open a cold brew with that after a long day at work. You can put it on your keys. You can keep it in your pocket. You can hide it in your Wazoo cash cap if you got a Wazoo cash cap. Think about it. Everyday carry, yeehaw. And then we got the GTFO necklace right here. Really cool piece of kit that you can implement however you want. You can leave the stuff on there and wear it as a necklace. You can take the stuff off, right? Hide some in your belt, keep some in your pockets, keep some in your EDC pouch that we'll talk about next, whatever. But you got a way to get out of restraints, be that zip ties, because you can use the necklace as a saw to get out of that. You got shims for locks and lock picking. You got the hair tie or the hairpin thing there for locks or lock picking. You got your ballistic bead in there for breaking glass. You got a light. And let's not forget about the NFC tag button. Folks, put that to use, okay? Put it on a piece of your kids' everyday equipment, right? A backpack. Program it to do whatever. Send the parents a text message and a location. All the things. There's tons of things you can do with NFC, and you've got a little button right there that you can put on literally anything or hide in. You could hide it inside the rim of a hat, and you've always got some sort of location device if that's what you want to use it for. Then we got the DEFCON 5 everyday carry pouch right here. Kit that thing out however you want, all right? Flashlight, multi-tool, pens, paper, or little pads or whatever. Right in the rain pads, a little fire kit, chapstick, your glasses, cleaning kit to clean your glasses. All sorts of things you can do with that. I'm curious in knowing what you would put in your everyday carry pouch right there. We got the K120 flipper right here from Tactica. Everyday carry monster. That's your workhorse knife. That's your beat the freaking crap out of knife. It's even got a 90-degree spine on it. Y'all know what I like about 90-degree spines, right? Excellent build, excellent quality, excellent company, excellent everyday carry item. Now we got the Nest Pack Slim Pack right here. An excellent, functional, everyday carry backpack. It doesn't scream I'm tactical. It doesn't scream I got a lot of stuff on me. It's got plenty of compartments in there. It's nice and slim. It's excellent for an urban environment when you're going through crowds and everything. You don't have this freaking giant thing on your back. You're bumping into people. It's cumbersome to wear, yada, yada, yada. You can put your everyday carry in that and you got your kit nice and slim. It's called the Slim Pack for a reason. And last and certainly not least, for our Pro Plus subscribers, obviously you'll get everything, but you also are guaranteed to get some sort of cutting utensil or tool every single month. This Atlas right here from Luft Concepts, absolute winner. I really enjoy Luft Concepts designs. You can really tell that knife was designed, not just made. You know what I mean? Front flipper action, and it's got a thumb stud. Very smooth opening. It's got the VG tint. I knock stuff over every time because I want to look at it when I'm talking. It's got the VG10 steel, liner lock, beautiful blade, very sharp. It's a fidgeter, guys. If you like the fidget blades, that's a fidgeter. As always, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you want to find out more about Battlbox, you can check us out at battlbox.com, battlbox.com. Go to the What's in the Box tab on the website. You can see every mission and every video from this one all the way down to the first one in 2015. If you have any questions, you can hit us up at questions@battlbox.com or hit the frequently asked questions tab on the website. And I'm pretty sure you might find your answer there, but if you don't, hit us up at questions@battlbox.com. Do not forget, all members of Battlbox, you get access to the Battle Vault. That's on the back of the back end side of every mission. Deep, deep, deep discounts on items can be for you as a member. Please check that out and implement it, guys. We got some killer freaking deals in the Battle Vault, okay? And if you're not a member, I encourage you to check it out and see if it fits into your budget or into your lifestyle, or if you want to get into the game, we will help you get there, yeehaw. I love you guys. I mean it. I'll see you next month with the second mission box, 135 of the EDC theme. Yeehaw.